Okay, so now I'm gonna show you 5 apartments that need rooftop repair. This is above 403.
403. It is 402.
Okay, Victor, hang on. Don't rush to the next apartment. Point out, please, what exactly is the problem.
403. It's here leaking. I don't know, and or there. You see it's crack all over.
Okay.
And we have to do it. Here, this is 402.
1, 2, 3,
402. 402 it's here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
402 now.
Yeah. You see the crack? You can see all this.
Yes, I can see the crack.
Yeah. Okay.
Next.
Here, it's 404.
404. Okay. Don't make me go too close to the edge. 404.
Yeah. Only no finish. We have to fucking clean.
Okay.
Okay. Here. Where Jack, your roofer, your jokers, what they did before. 405. 405 and 403. That's your apartment. Okay, and here. Here we have to do it. It's 415. 415. We did it. We have to clean and we have to buy. Here and yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is Jack, your favorite tenant. What they like to send a letter to the fucking inspector.
And so that was how many apartments we just... So that was...
404, 402, 403, 405, and 415.
Okay.
Do you wanna, if you wanna one more?
No. So, okay, so that's it. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
You stop.